Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up PayPal Direct Debit. First, securely log into your PayPal account. Once logged in, locate and click on the Wallet or Payment Methods section. This is where you manage all your financial instruments. From there, you will see an option to link a bank account. Click this to start the process of adding your bank details for direct debit functionality. It's a straightforward first step. Now, you'll need to provide your bank account information. Select the option to link a bank account specifically for direct debit. Carefully enter your bank sort code and your full account number into the designated fields. Double-check these numbers for accuracy, as even one incorrect digit can cause issues. After entering, confirm your bank details to move forward with the linking process. This ensures PayPal has the correct information. To verify your bank account, PayPal will send two very small deposits, often just a few cents each, to your linked bank account. These microdeposits typically appear on your bank statement within 2 to 3 business days. Once you see them, return to your PayPal account and enter the exact amounts of these two deposits. This step confirms that you are the legitimate owner of the bank account, completing the verification. Congratulations! Your bank account is now successfully linked and confirmed for direct debit. You can now confidently use this feature for various recurring payments, subscriptions, and other transactions directly from your bank account through PayPal. Remember, you can always manage your direct debits, view their status, or cancel them at any time within your PayPal account settings. Enjoy the convenience of this payment method.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.